Hello everybody, how are you doing? I haven't uploaded for a while because you know what? I was thinking, what on earth can I still put together and help people with these high prices, grocery prices, and people still want to eat interesting and delicious food. But how do you go about? Now I have a lot of old books I bought, and this is just one. I like this book. It was written in the year 1972. It's called 500 Recipes for Suppers and Snacks. Now, why am I talking about this book? I actually want to encourage you to look and find old recipe books. Because you know what? There you're going to find budget-friendly and delicious recipes, because people are very smart now with their money, but they still want to eat delicious food. And what I like about this recipe book, it has the British and American different weights and measures and useful facts and figures. So what am I trying to tell you? Try and find old recipes online. You can even find books that they publish online for free. But this one I got actually from this is a free book I got. And I've got a lot of old recipe books, and I find these old recipe books very helpful. So I think I'm going to try and make a few recipes. Just look at this one. It says sausages and barbecue sauce. It's so easy. This is the barbecue sauce. These are normal ingredients you have at your house. And the Worcestershire sauce you can even make yourself. There are recipes online. I just really like these recipes. So I was thinking, what am I going to be posting? And I've decided I'm going to start making a few recipes from my collection. So I'm not advertising this book. I'm just saying, try and find the older books. And some got beautiful pictures as well. So everybody, you have a great day further. Be smart and eat healthier. I still believe making your own food is healthier today. Bye.